Hello friends, today we are going to make a very much delicious recipe. Today we are going to make an egg biryani, and this is so much yummy. I am telling to you, I have learned this recipe. It is completely traditional and classic, and it is passed down from Shah Jahan, his kitchen people, and it is very nice, and it is also suitable for you vegetarians, because there is no meat, no fish, no chicken, nothing, only egg is there. So it's very nice, and you can make very easily for guests, for family. You can make it for your son, your husband, your brother-in-law, your father-in-law, your brother. Basically, you getting point. So it's so great, you should definitely try it. It is very nice one dish. So for this recipe I am frying one red onion in maybe 5 or 6 tablespoon ghee. It is hot ghee, and maybe you are thinking very much ghee, but you will need for frying onion. You will wanting to make it very black, getting nice flavor. Now in this other pan I am boiling water for eggs for the biryani, and it is simple. In boiling water add in your eggs, keep it boiling for 7.5 minutes for excellent hard boiled eggs. So as you can see, my onion is getting quite dark in color. It is called caramelize if you actually meaning it like that. Otherwise, it is calling burn. So my onions are caramelized, and maybe little 2-3 minutes more I will cook. Then I will take it out. So in same onion pan, I have removed onion and add maybe 2 more tablespoon ghee, and now I'm frying some whole spice. So I have added some ginger garlic paste and frying. If pot gets dry, add little bit water, and then add some nutmeg powder, some haldi powder, and some um, red chili powder, and fry until raw smell is gone and you can smell very nice smell. Now I have added 1.5 chopped tomato and fry until completely mushy. Add little bit, maybe 1 teaspoon salt, and just fry it properly until it is gone. So over here in this pot you can see I am boiling water for my rice, and I have put one bay leaf, some clove, some cardamom pod, some one star anise, and some black pepper also. And I have also put little dots of ghee for all for flavor, and you can add maybe one little spoon salt also. I have added my basmati rice to boiling water, and make sure you only maybe 75% cook the rice, not fully. I am adding maybe 5 tablespoon hung curd now, and you have to cook until oil has completely separated. I will also add some Kashmiri red chili powder for more color, no spice. My masala, I have now put in eggs and mint leaves and some chopped coriander stem, and in my eggs I have poked holes so they take up more flavor. I have cooked this for maybe 1 or 2 more minutes, and so it is looking perfect. Now we only have to layer this whole mixture up. So over here I have put half of my rice on bottom, then I have put the eggs and masala on top with more mint, some green chili I have cut in half, and half of the caramelized onions. And I have put remaining half rice and remaining half onion also now on top with and I have put 1 teaspoon of kevra essence for very nice smell. You can put rose water also, I did not have. And saffron soaked milk also you can put, I did not put. You can, and on top put ghee. So I covered the pot with a lid and put a towel on top with weight. If you want to cook in them, you can do that also. I did not want to do that. And if you are using heavy bottom pan, use high flame, light bottom pan, low flame. Thank you for watching friends. I hope you make it. It is very yummy. Bye.